Chomucha maini. Messia, Jacob, you are. Can you thank the Lord for taking you to this place? Can you thank the Lord for even coming, stepping your foot on this place? Because if you are not helped, I am very surprised. I have noted a war that is coming up with the spirit of death. You will continue to be ruled by a woman. You are actually given something by a woman. You were given a food by your wife. Your in-laws, they are even witches. Your in-laws, you even gave him money. And he even lived with relatives. You have got wars and wars ahead of you. You have got wars that are ahead of you. If the word from the Lord can help me, if the Lord can help me, I've heard you talking about someone must actually use human ways. Someone must eat human ways. You've been talking about this. Who is having a totem of moyo here? Can you stand up? Mother, who is in Chagutu? You are two. So, can you sit down? They are not related. It's okay. Between you two. Who has got a relative who is in South Africa? He's a witch. He's a witch. Amen. Are you afraid of being? If you hate me, you Robert.
Have you heard me? You
livestock
that were sold by your it was far much better if she was your brother's wife. Then a woman from your homestead. Leaving her homestead, divorcing her wife, claiming to be a baba. Within your homestead. Can you wake up? Can you wake up? Can you wake up? I've seen that you have traveled. Look, I've seen that your footsteps. I can even die at any time. This is a very bad situation. Amen. Can you go and move around? Can I be allowed to do what the Lord has asked me to do?